One thing that makes an embroidery design spectacular is how you trim your connecting threads. So on this machine, I have one thread that needs to be trimmed, and then I noticed there was one little jump of pink here that got stitched over with the teal thread. So first off, the key is to have an excellent pair of curved embroidery scissors. This particular brand is Kai scissors. Kai. These are the ones we enjoy in the store. I like them because the holes are bigger, and so my big thumb actually fits in those. And also for our gentlemen's embroiderers, they appreciate those too. Now, the key to good trimming is actually taking your curved scissors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come underneath the first cut. First cut's always the easy one because I'm going to just take my curved scissors and slide nicely up to the stitch. And these stitches are always locked before it jumps to this next area, and they're also locked when it starts the next area. So I don't have to worry about these stitches coming undone. But the key is there's this little thread sticking up, and what you don't want to do is just snip that off. What I would recommend, you take your fingers, pull up on that thread, and then with your curved scissors, push down against the fabric. It won't cut your fabric, but it will get as perfectly close so you don't see where that was actually cut. Now this one's going to be very, very close in here. First I'm going to have to snip it and then kind of dig it out. Here we go. Let's try it from this direction here. So I'm going to come underneath one side, and again, that's why you want really sharp scissors. I'm going to see if I can lift it or if it got stitched through here. Now this is going to be a much shorter little guy to trim, and getting a hold of that is going to be a little bit tricky, but I can still get in there. Some tweezers could assist if you don't have fingernails, but once again, I don't have to see where I'm clipping. I can almost go right underneath. I have one little bit of pink thread that is kind of sticking out there, and I might just kind of work at that. But that's what you're going for. You really want a nice, clean looking trim design when you're done. Otherwise, if you don't take the time to kind of lift the thread, it is going to leave you like little pokey pies, and it just ruins the design. So make sure you get good scissors and you get good at trimming your design.